If you want to see all the data that you have on ChatGPT, or you want to transfer that data elsewhere, then the best thing you can do is to export your ChatGPT data. Now, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export all your ChatGPT data within seconds. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. As you can see, I have a lot of conversations with ChatGPT, and there's a lot of data contained on my threads that I can transfer or share it elsewhere. Now, the first thing you need to do is to open your ChatGPT and then head over to this icon of your account. If you tap on it, look for this option called settings, and from settings, go to data controls. Under data control, you can see we have this option called export data. Now, if you go ahead and tap on export data, you are told that your account details and charts will be included in the exports. You are also told that data will be sent to your registered email in a downloadable file. You are also told that once you have exported this data, the download link will expire within 24 hours after you have received it. And lastly, processing may take some time, so you have to note that, and you'll be notified once it is ready, and this notification will be sent direct to your email. So to proceed, just tap on confirm export here, and then the export has been done successfully. And now we have to go ahead and check our email and find the data. And now look at this. If I go to my email, I can see my data has been exported and it is available here through my official email. And now here, what you need to do is to go ahead and download the file. And here it will come in form of a zip file. And this might take time depending on how much data you had. Once it is done, just go ahead and extract the zip file, and it will be good to use your data from your ChatGPT. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.